Given the data 2735234465012, find the median, B the range, C the interquartile range. We take a solution. For us to easily answer this question, first thing we are going to start by arranging the data in ascending order. That means from the smallest to the biggest. Looking at the given data, you see that 0 is the smallest. We start from 0, it occurs once, comma. We go to the next, which is 1, it occurs once, comma. The next 2, which occurs 1, 2, 3 times. We write 2 3 times. The next we go to 3, which occurs 1, 2 times, 3, 3. The next we go to 4, which occurs twice, 4, 4. The next we go to 5, which occurs twice, 5, 5. The next we go to 6, which occurs once, we write down 6. The next we go to 7, which occurs just once, we end at 7. Next, let's count to see if the total number of observations here is equal to the total number of observations in the given problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They are equal. Now for question A, we have to find the median. The median will simply be equal to, we are going to take the number of observations here, which is 13. We add 1 to it. Then we divide this by 2. So the median is at this position. This will simply be equal to 13 plus 1 gives us 14, divided by 2 gives 7. So the median is simply the 7th observation. And this will give us the median to be equal to, we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The median is simply 3. We underline the answer. Next, we have to find the range. For B, the range is simply equal to, we are going to take the largest score minus the lowest. So this will give us 7 minus 0, which is simply equal to 7. This is the range. Next, we have to find the interquartile range. For us to find the interquartile range, we need to start by finding the lower quartile, which is Q1, and we need to find the upper quartile, which is Q3. We are going to copy this arranged data in ascending order. Then we find Q1 and Q3. We have 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. We have the median at the 7th position, which is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know this is a median, which is abbreviated as Q2. This data has been divided into 2 equal parts. You can see if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 6 observations above. Below we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations below. We are going to divide these 6 observations below into 2 equal parts. That means we have to locate the middle number. The middle number will simply be between the 3rd and the 4th number. So that means we have our Q1 here, which is the lower quartile. It is simply the average of these two numbers. Next, we are to divide these upper numbers into two equal parts to get the upper quartile. The middle number simply lies between the 10th and the 11th number. So the upper quartile lies here, which is Q3. So it is simply the average of these two numbers. Now let's find Q1. Q1 is simply 2 plus 2. Then we divide by 2. And this will be equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. This is the lower quartile. Next, we need the upper quartile, Q3. It is simply the average of these two numbers. We take 5 plus 5. Then we divide by 2. This will be equal to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Now we can proceed to find the interquartile range. The interquartile range, which is abbreviated as IR, is simply equal to Q3 minus Q1. And this will simply be equal to Q3, which is 5, minus Q1, which is 2. 5 minus 2 is simply equal to 3. We underline the answer. This is how we find the median, the range, and the interquartile range for ungrouped data. If in case you have any question on what we have just treated, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.